Hi guys, today we're gonna be making dash system just like how I showed in the showcase. So this will be a V1. You can change the animes, you make your own or like find them from the toolbox. So first we're gonna go to start a GUI, then add a screen GUI. After that we're gonna have to add a text button or a text or image button you can pick, and then after that we're gonna have to add a local script. Then we're gonna have to paste this in the script. Also credits to Ramon the dev. He made the script. So this is the button. For the button, I'm gonna the link for this will be in the description. Okay, let me repeat myself. So add this. It's a local script. Add a local script inside of the button. Okay, not in the screen GUI. Inside of the button. And then paste this in. After that, we're gonna make a remote event called front dash event. This thing like this. Now add the remote event front dash event. So like this, front dash event. You can take the time. It's front dash event like that. Okay. Then after that, we're gonna have to go to server script service. Add script. It's gonna the script for this one will be in the description. So yeah, this. Also, you're gonna need a dash sound. You're gonna put it in replicated storage. I'm gonna get that from my showcase vid. Wait, just wait. I'm just gonna get these from the other vid that I showed, and we're gonna get this. Also, we're gonna get these animes that I showcased too. Yeah. After that, load dash 2, or not really dash 2, I'm just gonna load this. Paste in your animations. You're gonna have to name them. For the right dash, you have to name it right dash, of course. Left dash, yeah, left dash. Just look, back dash, then front dash, then it's gonna be front dash. So you have to be very specific. After that, add R6 script, then just publish the game. I'ma edit this button real quick. 9. Oops, that's too much. Okay, so this you can copy where I'm putting it, but you don't need to. If you know where how to do it now. Okay. Now change this. Okay. We'll make this very black. Then after that, just no, I'm deciding. I'm not supposed to. You can make it I'm gonna make it like this, but you can pick what you want. Yeah, that's okay. Don't forget text scaled. Okay, now. Okay. My gosh. White, blue, no. Electric blue, yes. Cyan, yes, sir. It's better. You agree? I don't know how to spell. That's crazy. Okay, there. Okay. After that, you don't have to, yeah, just anything. Pick what you wanna do. Pick what you wanna do. Pick what you wanna do. Oh, pick what you wanna do. Oh, what you wanna do. Okay, sorry. Sorry for being a bit cringy. Just love singing. Okay, after that, after you're done now, yeah, just publish. It only works in publish, by the way. It only works in publish. If it's not, then it won't work. Only if it's published. Only in published it works. Playing with sticks that I found. Okay. Now let's do this. Let's join the game. Now when you dash, yeah. Oh yeah. There will also be the side dashes, but I forgot to put the the I forgot to put the shift lock, but yeah. Yeah, that's it. Bye.